Okay, when we're looking to find the area of a compound figure means it's not a straightforward shape. This isn't a square, it isn't a rectangle, it isn't a triangle, parallelogram, trapezoid. It looks to me kind of like that bit's a square and that bit's a rectangle. So we have to be able to find the area of one part of it at a time. So I'm gonna essentially imagine a little line going from there to there. So if that's the case, because this is 19 by 19, this is in fact a square, and this is in fact a rectangle. And then that becomes a really simple question. If you remember, we find area is length times width, or you could think of it as base times height, but I like length times width. So I'm gonna start with the area of the square here. Area equals length times width. So that's 19 millimeters times 19 millimeters. 19 times 19, I'll do down here. 9 times 9, 81, 1 down, 8 up. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 8, 17, 0 down. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1, plus it together. 1, 7 plus 9 is 16, 6 down, 1 up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the area of the square there, the bottom part, is 361 millimeters squared. So I'm gonna stick that in there, 361 millimeters squared. That's a little 2. Now find out the top part. Area equals length times width, 22. Be careful, don't accidentally write 41. Remember, 41 is the measurement of this whole side. If we're just finding out this top part, we want from here to here, which is only 22. They're gonna try and trick you with that. 22 millimeters times 12 millimeters. I'll do that over here. 22 times 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 0 down. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2, plus it together, 4, 6, 2. So this part, 264 millimeters squared. So I can't really write that in there, but there. So now that I've tidied it up a little bit, you can see here that this part is this bottom part's 361 millimeters squared, this top part there, but we want the area of the whole figure. So obviously we're gonna have to add them together. 264 millimeters squared plus 361 millimeters squared. Because we're adding, we're not timesing, our unit stays the same. 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 down, 1 up. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. So our answer, the whole shape, is 625 millimeters squared. Okay, this is the same type of question. We have, again, a compound figure. So when you first look at this question, you want to think about how you would break it up into different sections. To me, it makes the most sense. I'm going to draw a little line right here. That kind of looks like a square. And I know that it's 5 by 6. So 5 times 6, that's a really easy one. That right there is 30 centimeters squared. Because remember, our area equals length times width. Now the tricky piece, I'll continue on. Down here, I draw another little line. And for this one, it's nice, we can see the length is 12. The width or the height, whatever you want to call it, is 8. 12 times 8. I am not good with my 12 times table, so I'm going to do that down here. 12 times 8, 2 times 8, 16, 6 down, 1 up. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So that is 96 centimeters squared. Now the trickier one is this big shape here. Do not be tricked. It's not 24 centimeters long because it doesn't include that little bit there. It's 24 plus 6. This part's 6. How do I know? Because right there, from there to there is 6, so from there to there is 6. Another way you could do it is think, okay, from there to there is 6, plus from there to there is 12, because of this number down here, which is 18, plus another 12 is 30. I think it's easier to look here and say, okay, 24 plus this 6 is 30 centimeters. So I'm just going to write that in for me there. 30 centimeters from there all the way to there. So for that equation, area equals length times width. I have the 10 is, we'll say, for whatever reason I like to write the length as 30 centimeters, the width is 10, but it doesn't make any difference. 30 times 10 is obviously 300, and centimeters times centimeters makes centimeters squared. So in here, 300 centimeters squared. Now, obviously, we just need to add up 30 plus 300 plus 96. So the last calculation I need to do is that addition. 30 plus 300 plus 96. 6 plus nothing is 6. 3 plus 9 is 12. 2 down, 1 up. 1 plus 3 is 4. And sorry, I didn't write in my units. Bad, Miss Cooper. Centimeter squared, centimeter squared, centimeter squared. We're just adding, so our units stay the same. Our final answer, the total square centimeters of the shape is 426 centimeters squared. Hope that makes sense. Good luck on the task.